One obvious way to get local clients is to get listed on Google My Business. And it is from Google, so we all know it must be good. It is probably worth it. If you are new and you haven't created a My Google Business profile yet, this video will help you how to do it. If you had your profile on Google My Business for a while, when was it the last time you updated it? Do you know that there are some things you should do and there are some things you definitely shouldn't do because it can hurt your business? Well, we will discuss all that in today's episode of Money Monday Marketing for Photography series, and it is episode number 7. For the new visitors, my name is Zdenka Darla and I work as a photographer for many years. I am a former model and few other things. If you want to be listed on a first result page of local audience, open up Google My account and start now. Now take your time when it comes to filling out your profile. Don't skip it. Just make sure you fill out all details correctly. Take your time and do it right. Here are some suggestions as we go. You will need your business name, whatever it is, and you will need your address. If you have your studio or office address, put it there. Now, what happens if you don't have that specific studio or office address? Lots of freelance photographers work from home, or they don't have physical studio address or office address, and it's totally okay. It is the best to list your city where you live in. You will still be listed in a search. It is a good idea to be listed even though you don't have a physical storefront. If you are thinking about listing PO Box address, it is not a very good idea. It might have a negative impact on your business, so rather stay with just the city. Next, you will need to select your category. You can use photographer as your category, that will do just fine. Other categories they offer is wedding photography, aerial photography, advertising photography, photography studio, or photography service. What you should avoid is using non-local phone number. And also you should stay away from creating Google My Business multiple pages with the same phone number or also using the same business title. That could have a negative impact on your business as well. On the other hand, here are things you should do. Use keywords in your Google My Business page description. Add as much information as possible, add as many photos as possible, but choose only the best photos which are actually relevant to your services. And if you want, you can add their video as well. What is highly important here are reviews. They are not going to help you with the SEO, which is search engine optimization, but they will encourage people to click on the links as it builds trust. If you are a new photographer, start collecting reviews right from the beginning. Once you shoot a client, ask them politely if they don't mind posting a review for you on Google. Try to get those reviews consistently, not just getting a whole bunch of reviews now and then another whole bunch of reviews in a half a year. Don't review your own business. Google doesn't like it, and you know it's kind of, well, don't do it. And when somebody leaves you a review, all you have to do, politely reply, thank you. Once you complete the profile, you might need to go through verification process, so just follow all the steps there. Once you've received that verification email, you are all set, but all the work doesn't stop there. When it comes to marketing and all of the business stuff, you will have to stay consistent and you will have to do updates periodically. Don't just kind of forget about it, because you might actually start losing the chance of getting new clients. To stay fresh, there is a great feature. You can create a post, you can offer something, you can create a promotion, you can offer a coupon or discount, and you can run it for a specific time. And just like any other account, you can visit Insights, which is basically analytics report for your business listing. Here you can see how many people found your business, how many people requested directions, where they were coming from, and how many people actually clicked on the link to your website. And you know, any photographer needs more exposure these days, and this tool is available, it's free, and it's easy to use, so don't postpone it any longer. And while you are at it, you can actually go to another search engine called Bing and type in Bing Places for Business, Bing Places for Business, and create another account like that. Works the same as Google My Business page. Well, if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe for more videos like this coming up. There will be a lot more. If you have any questions or comments, or simply want to say hello, please leave them in the comment section below. You know I read them all and I always respond. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ahoy.